Okay, guys, I'm gonna start reviewing videos. Haha, isn't that funny? No, it isn't. It's serious, mother. Pooh. Lucky I said poo. Lucky.
Well, the police wouldn't let me go through 122nd, so I had to go around 119th and go. And they let me look at the lawyer's building. I know the vacuum cleaner man. He's seen my tits.
I'm sorry, what? What? He saw your what? Okay, I'm lost, but lady, you're, oh god. You know what's even weirder than that? Some guy said, hi, YOLO. Nobody said YOLO. Stop saying it. It's annoying. And by the way, RWJ, you suck. I'm better than you. I know you reviewed this video. I saw your episode. Ha. That. Anyways, I didn't get that. I'm sorry. What did you say?
Well, the police wouldn't let me go through 122nd, so I had to go around 119th and go. They let me look at the lawyer's building. I know the vacuum cleaner man. He's seen my tits.
What? Uh, uh, I don't know how to react to that. I really don't. It's just weird, okay? Oh crap. It it doesn't make any sense. Like, what is a vacuum cleaner man? There's no such thing as a vacuum cleaner man. Okay, you want to see something funny? Okay, you can see something funny. Okay, it's not. He's not here. But when he is, I'll get him. Okay, I'll just call him. Nico! Here, buddy! It takes him a while to get here. Okay, well, he's apparently not going to do this. But we are going to do something funny. We're gonna, well, I only review one video at a time. Stop judging me, okay? You better don't ask for more in the comment section. Don't. Okay. See you later. Bye. RWJ.